Today's guide, I'll show you how to enable pairing mode for the real AirPods and connect to a older gen Samsung phone. So let's get started. So these here are the AirPods Gen 2. Then you'll see that button at the back here, this one there. You're gonna open up the case, then hold down on the button, okay? Hold it down until you see the white blinking lights for the AirPods case. So hold it and just keep holding it until you see this right there. Once you see that, that's the pairing mode of your AirPods. And keep the case lid open. Then on your Samsung phone, and this could be Samsung with Android 8, 9, or even 10. Go to the settings, then go to connections, then go to Bluetooth, turn it on, and it'll start searching for nearby devices. You will see AirPods, and as you tap on it one time, it should give you the pairing and connect it. If it doesn't work the first time, just restart your phone and try it again, and you should pull through the second time around. And of course, if this guide helped you out, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.